pounding heartbeats, dry mouth, numb hands, and a tensed mind. It is the mathematics exams next week, and all you wish for is to erase this subject from your life. You can't even sleep because maths is a nightmare for you. Don't worry, we are with you. And before you panic about your career, I'm going to share in this video some career options that you could go for if you dislike mathematics. Hi, my name is Akshay, and having pursued my engineering, and I did have some affinity for mathematics. However, I feel that I really liked it in class 10, but after 11th onwards, when I took maths in class 11th and 12th, it was challenging for me. Though it was helpful in the long run because I went on to do my engineering later on, and currently I'm working at IIT Bombay. And with my experience of a decade working there, I came to understand that students are falling into traps of careers that they're probably not interested in. And also today, we are focusing more on what someone is not good at rather than what someone is good at. So if you are someone who doesn't like mathematics, I'm sure that there may be something that you actually like. And what could be that thing? That is something we need to know and find out. If you want to know more about the science of career selection and understand how to select the right career, as well as develop the skills and the mindset that is required to be successful in the 21st century, I invite you to go to my website, jakshay.com or careervisionhub.com and sign up for the next webinar that would help you crack the career code. Now let's jump in and look at 10 promising careers you can pursue if you dislike mathematics. First one is design. So our creative thinking, global awareness, aesthetic sense, those are key skills. So aesthetic sense, if you knowledge of using the correct colors with correct fabrics, knowledge of the current fashion, like making it look and feel is kind of appeal. That is what aesthetic sense is. So if you like creative thinking, global awareness, and aesthetic sense, then designing can be the right fit for you. Design has a variety of careers, including fashion design, interior design, accessory design. And these are some of the domains that do not require much application of mathematics, or very little. And design is a field that allows you to be a part of one of the most happening and enriching industry. And as a designer, you will be required to create designs using your imagination, creative skills, and keeping in mind various needs and requirements of the client. You also get the opportunity to design for various big shows and even large organizations. So pursuing a course from one of the leading colleges and building a network in the industry are necessary to feature yourself as a prominent designer. Also, you can apply for various national as well as international competitions. Example, how International Design Awards, iDesign Awards, Fashion Fund, India Online Fashion Week, to feature yourself in the celebrity shows. And sub-top institutes for design are NIFT, NID, Institute of Art Design, and Symbiosis Institute of Design as well. The next career that I have for all of you is animation and graphics. Animation and graphic designers design and illustrate moving and static images for movies, TV shows, websites, and computer games like UI design. Even cartoonists and web design are some of the fields in animation and graphics. So they use both traditional hand-drawn and computer techniques to create their designs. You will get the platform to express yourself in. And this course is actually available in NID, even in IIT Mumbai, Guwahati, Kanpur, and MIT Institute of Design is also known for its animation graphics courses. Next career is media and communication. Media and communication is a broad domain, and it includes careers like event management, wedding planning, or radio jockey, video jockey, editing, public relations, journalism. These have very requirement of mathematics generally. Event management you may need to manage the expense of the event, so you may require some aspect of mathematics, but not so much. So to become RJ and VJ, it is advised to pursue an additional diploma in video or video jockeying. And there are also some professional courses in voiceovers and mixing that you may also take up. Short-term workshops in diction, creative thinking are also some of the options that can give you a head start. So during the voiceover courses, we learn the art of speaking in different tones and modulating the pitch of the voice, which is one of the most important skills that are required to be successful as an RJ or a VJ. So All India Radio also holds auditions every 3 months for the post of an RJ. And if you are selected, you will get 2 months of training. And if you perform well during the training, you might get the opportunity to work with All India Radio. And top institutes for media and communication are from Delhi University, Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication, even Ashoka University and IP University have courses in media and communication. The fourth career that I have for you is foreign language experts. This will require you to master a language, thus avoiding your number nightmares. So you can also find work as a foreign language teacher or lecturer in schools and colleges. So the demand for language translators is very high, especially for German and French. So as a language translator, you will be required to convert text from one language to another without losing the original context. So as a translator, you can work in conferences, especially if the audience or the speaker is from a non-English background. You can also work as a guide or escort interpreter and accompany people during their foreign visits. So various foreign embassies, they employ translators, they translate the foreign language to the native language of the visitor and aid the communication between the visitor and the officer at the embassy. Some top institutes for foreign languages are Delhi University, Alliance for Language Delhi, and Max Muller. Fifth career is blogging. This is the profession for the writer in you. If you have a flair for writing and you want the world to read your expressions, you can explore becoming a blogger. You can write about anything and everything that you're passionate about. So, however, of course, it is advised to select an area of expertise and write accordingly. Then comes a career at law. So, are you good at putting forward your views? Are you having analytical skills, verbal skills, and your emotional quotient is high? If your answer is yes, then law could be a perfect career for you. So here you will need to advise clients and help them in legal and business transactions. For example, to claim legal ability or to defend their lawsuit. So they represent the client in courts and help to defend their views and interests. You can pursue masters in the area of your interest. Some of the specializations include business law, criminal law, IP law, patent law, etc. And as a lawyer, you will get the opportunity to work at law firms, corporate houses, litigations, etc. Some top institutes for law are National Law School of Indian University, Delhi University, National Law School, Gujarat National Law University, Nalsar University of Law, and Jindal Global Law School. Then comes hotel management. With the increase in tourism and globalization, the demand for this field is on the rise. The field encompasses everyone working in the hospitality sector, right from the housekeeping to the top management. So good communication skills, reasoning and numerical aptitude, and a pleasing personality are some of the key traits required to be successful in your career in this field of hotel management. And as a hotel manager, your job profile will include promoting and marketing the business, interacting and handling customer needs, planning work for others at the work, etc. And the housekeeping department maintain a clean and comfortable environment. And as an event organizer, you'll be responsible for the conception and completion of the events. So the events include festivals, conferences, promotions, etc. And you can also work as a fast food manager whose job is to ensure that the restaurant delivers high quality food, drinks, and customer service. And some top institutes for hotel management are your hotel management, ITC Gurgaon, and even the Oberoi step at New Delhi. The next one is medicine and allied medicine. The MBBS is not the only degree to fetch you the rank of a doctor. There are other fields of medicine such as homeopathy, veterinary, and Ayurveda which are growing in demand. So these fields have gained popularity recently and they hold equal status as an MBBS degree. So in case of allied medicine, there are fields like radiology, optometry, occupational therapy, etc. And they're not referred to as doctors, but they work with doctors and assist them in various fields according to their specializations. So apart from having a penchant for reading for long durations, you should be able to understand the patients and be empathetic towards them. Some top institutes for medicine are AIIMS, Armed Force Colleges, Maulana Azad Medical College, Lady Hardinge Medical College, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, and Aligarh Muslim University. Next is social work. So do you ever want to change the world? Do you want to reduce the hardship of people around you? What if you can turn your pro-social nature into a profession and at the same time avoid studying maths? You can choose your area of specialization from either adults or children. And you'll be required to counsel people and provide resources, care, and support. And you'll also be involved in budgetary and administrative social work. Social workers are employed in NGOs, hospitals, local authorities, healthcare centers, etc. And some-top institutes in social work are School of Social Work, Institute of Social Sciences, Punjab University, Christ University, Aligarh Muslim University, and so on. Then, last but not the least, is psychologist or a career counselor. So if you love interacting with people, enjoy solving their life problems, their career problems, psychology could be the field for you. So in case you want to work with more severe and clinical patients, you can opt for clinical psychology, where you will help in discerning the cause of the problem. And there are various other fields of psychology also, like health psychology, social psychology, organizational psychology, and even sports psychology, where you assist sports person. This could be pursued at Tata Institute of Social Sciences, in Christ University, Delhi University, or in the Ambedkar University also. These are some of the top institutes. Which of the careers do you think you would like to pursue and you found them interesting? We have discussed about so many careers here which are possible to do without maths. I hope you're feeling relaxed. However, it's also good to have a basic comfort level in mathematics because that is required in many areas of a practical life. And even some of these careers which I discussed will touch upon mathematics to some extent, which is important that you should be aware about. And now, if you found this video interesting, exciting, and you want to share with one of those friends to collaborate with who also dislikes maths, then please share this video with them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that the next important career-related video comes straight to you. Thank you and all the best.